Yes, sir, boss.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Is that something or are you looking for something?
Oh, yeah, I'm looking for Madam.
Madam?
Yeah.
Oh, you make late. He is going out. He is travel. She will keep long too.
Right now?
Yeah, go town. Go do honest. But Pia or Toto or here around so.
Obesaba.
Obesaba.
Then you travel ni betu mu say.
Now Pia nya travel.
So because be also be our
Pia we Pia travel.
Okay, travel mean say be what 2 kwan akure be a wonya mai.
Yeah, be near travel at all. Where travel?
To no so and say wonya mai.
Yes.
Ba krum dey travel.
Yes, krum dey venture baba. Why?
Matete
ni pa kwa twen bo ba me say on ko be che so chinchin atwan.
Oba ya che o.
Oba ya che pa.
Awon ma che no oba.
Be fo mu. We see ya che.
Abose.
Yeah, ke kan ko tre mu. Se me nim. O de mu feel free. Why? Mu ya bibi so am.
Because the committee me atra the bedroom one.
Oh, David. Ada wo tra bedroom.
Yo boy, mo nim say me ba o nyeze bia.
Wonni mu.
Onye so ni nim say me ba ha.
And the English one for bibia wa mama hu so bi so ba.
Sir.
O se me na me hwe bibia. I am the taker, cater of this house. Caretaker. Yes.
Oh, so
your property,
the entire or
internal life. When I'm in the caretaker.
Entire property.
Yes, entire life or entire business.
Wow.
Yes.
So you're welcome.
Oh, you're nice boy.
Oh, thank you too. Osun kasa. But there was a many metra. So you obeba see.
Obeche dey buy. How dey obet ma twen kakra.
Me we yet no.
Mo relax say why? Mo hear bibi so anoma kanam da.
Bibi so dey be here.
Yeah, o dey soft and I say hard.
Oh, come
here. Your belly mo we anything was.
Me soft. Why? Where me cook.
What here me. Okay. Never ba.
But so tiana meta anaka meet na ho.
Oh, David.
Maybe the onim say me ba o.
David ha na fata mo ha na emule.
Obi ru adan ni mu anka o ba me nti ha.
Kache. Mr. Why boss? Feel free for me.
Aduma da wani ba. O ya fese aduma da wani ba. Timbe tena ho machi fo ukro.
No.
Ebe twen obi.
It's 3:59. That's when I came here. Me my catch of me. When it comes to chasing for one thing, say like you know you dimika ye pe ade ba ko. Chichi. Me.
And do you know every time I talk in proverb but you don't understand proverb.
You talk in proverb.
Do you know do you know this proverb?
No, tell me.
That if you are the first in court, it doesn't mean you are the owner or you are the winner of the proverb at hand. Do you know that? So the can of course, I know just where the be more. Opa better 2 o'clock, opa better 1 o'clock. Odo wa kumum, odo ni time mu. Oh, any time ade ba o. Na wo nim sa wo ba ha, mi wo nim sa me ba ha.
Onu nim sa wo ba ha. See no odo bebebe bro so no. Why didn't she wait for you?
Why didn't she what?
Wait for you.
For me to come.
Me onim sa me ba ha. I understand that. She doesn't know I'm coming here. But wo onim sa wo ba. So why didn't she wait for you?
I call her and she tell me right now. She will come right now.
All right.
Yeah.
No problem, bro. I'm also waiting for her, you know.
Pray now, wo pray go see aga be atwa so.
Me.
Why?
Cheche, me my
pray now, wo pray no. Emfa hwe ma.
I don't know who
I'm the one that who is going to get this woman.
I don't know who wunjai. Huh? I don't know wunjai.
Why did he can who no?
Why did he can who? Then I just who no di kan who.
Huh?
And then I just who no di kan who da Vaneser.
Uzo umu ho kra.
Na wo bu hu.
Wo to oba wo peni fie animu na wo kasa ne be mo ne tie animu.
Why? Ne be ma no why?
Wo kasa just anyhow. Wo di boy na tell me wa.
Ago hu hi. Wo be ma wo na ono wote. Na wo di biti dem. I don't know ntuma.
What's that?
Ono net ya. I don't know ma ha na.
Say me to metro ba so simple.
Wo da so go so num sa.
Me frezi kakra nsa.
Ansa na waba.
Na ha na me ya unim komo ayi. Because zero papa.
Me hu ya de sere.
We are better say onya better say wo better na 3 o'clock. Obetimi asere say about 2 days no nwe.
Ni na say ofa je sere me nim.
Only aim. You don't have any aim. Adwo be na ye. Me matchen me occupation me hono dokono ton.
Cheche me use.
What here say onim say me hard working boy.
Onim say me so me cleaner me papa hotel onim.
Wo papa hotel.
Onim.
Obi apa hotel chere obeti okopia dros no awu.
Because
hotel dey be me pie o.
Me who I am, me masem, it's none of your business, bro.
It's none of it's none of your business,
I'm
bro.
I'm telling you, bro.
Get out from this house.
You can't tell me that.
Get out.
Nonsense, you can't tell me that.
Go to nonsense.
Who came here first? We are the one me say she was ubenu.
I said the can court already bem. If you get to court first, are you the owner?
Me better na me bufu efunu. Yes,
my friend, get out.
Guys. Which kind of stupidity is that?
Look at some foolishness. Look at what he's doing there.
Oh, quiet. You do know this is a
residential area.
Yes.
Who came here first?
Shut up.
Quiet.
Enoch catch it on.
Ratis.
Cow.
Cow. When one jam was here, some of the village life. Anna Mubede. Mama Kuya Montas Moon feel free. Montana Muya to go to Moon say by inside. Monsorry, Monanti. I was so solid and I was so. Madame Obanama. Monsorry.
What's media on himself?
Ratchet solid and was.
You will say, maybe
when him's over. Would you turn to make sure up a catamari open? Move on, Germany. Sorry. Mupana, yet, any mamma, I'm pursuing overdose.
Is that when you don't
keep on moving?
You think when him to go into just
was he? Take care, and I'm ready to be as well. Take care, dear Dronos and the Panama bum. Ooh, bum, Bammy bum. Listen, I'm a some what the tomb. What is our house? What's our house for? Now, who be woman a bit fast? Maybe my bed fast in it now. Who are trust or my bed trust number by our trust way to me, Buno. Sir. And then you come to me. You're Solomon.
You will be Pam now. When I was a Pam no.
And I'm going to make 35 for the
Why did he come back home?
And you do the can to get you no bannet here.
Ah, who person make 35 for almost one. Sorry.
So, no, Madam, I don't come here.
Who ready? What follow who will do be able to move to move. I don't want to. We do not make.
Only no one come in.
Make us some trouble. Yeah, obey my let me get them back. Make it come.
Get it home.
One man go in na besi.
Huh? P. Make home.
Mummy ni na mu pi.
Na me so wan kwa me.
Pray and ba ma na ba.
Na me wan kwa me.
Who ya that's the wait to any ida now. I did want to say me need pay net.
It's overdose. It's too much. I'm done with this. I'm done. Keep on moving.
Wabre, send me who dey.
Get.
Wabre.
We go to
my yen life is say.
Two prima.
Me who na
me ban sele bo ma ti atongo ka we no my la.
No, madam. Catch us me na me di kan ba.
Hello, madam. Madam, come and see. Madam, it's a whole lot of in this house. The time you left, your boyfriend had 2 toys. Oh, I'm sorry. That your gentleman.
Don't use toys.
Yeah, he's here. The other one. He come. He they talk bad. I say go. If the madam come, then come back. They are person beating me. He's here.
Let him know that I came first.
Idiot. Idiot. I'm taking to him.
Also, the person with the phone.
Kasa.
Hello, baby. Oh, yeah.
What's up? What about?
Prank.
Oh, not care to go with you.
Oh, you mean? So, oh, prize. That's it. Oh, no, I best say.
Tower for it.
Best say.
No, look, I'm not the fear and the power. It's a politician.
They're not very nice. Their life is no
bra, be power. You mean jelly be you. Someone for Baum become or more year. Make campaign can say, baby.
Nobody did.
I mean, Capi. Be a low to the American power.
No power, I had an anonymous work. Another is a Bible parliament. One more parliament. They are can an animal parliament. Madame Banova, why? You don't see a catch me. Catch a code in the
on this way and do it again. No matter what's made.
Let's when you want to
Frankly, I'm not in a rush. I'm just going to take my time with everything. But there are a couple of people coming my way. But I'm just giving myself some time. That's fine. That's very okay. But you know what? In a part of the world, at a certain age, as a lady, if you are still single, then people start raising suspecting eyebrows. They tend to ask why, what, To some extent, they may even tag you with certain vices of which you could be innocent. That is why it is vital that at a point in a lady's life, in our world, you would need to settle. If not for anything, for that respect. There was a time I was in a commercial bus. Guess what happened?
What happened?
2 ladies accidentally engaged in a squabble. Like they had a misunderstanding. One was a wedded lady and the other was single. You know, by reason of their rings, you could differentiate that this is married and that was single. So, as the argument went on, there was a banter. This would say that one from the conductor, the mate, as we call it.
Yeah.
You say he told the single lady, "Hey, come on, be here now. What's your time? What about the man?" I was like, what? Even when she is at fault, just for the mere fact that she is wedded,
married,
she should have a way. It is crazy, but that is what it is. You know,
our society is something you can't write home about. It's crazy.
So you see, that is the more reason why you need to settle.
I am going to settle. Don't you trust me? Of course, I want to have kids on my own. So I'm definitely going to settle down, of course. But I just want to make the right decision, right choice. I don't want to get married and ever think of a divorce. No. I want to make a right, correct, perfect, accurate choice.
I love your point.
Yeah.
I love your point, considering the fact that you are even thinking of bearing 4 children.
Of course. This house is too big for me to be here alone. At least you get like two girls, 2 boys running in, grandma.
I am proud of you.
I am.
You know what? If not for the fun of it, at least for posterity's sake.
Of course.
You need someone to carry that legacy when you are
I
gone.
can't leave this for nobody.
Yes. Yeah. And that would make you a good daughter of the land. In that case, you have made your parents very proud.
Very proud.
You know what? I am not a jealous type. And to be honest, I will not envy you for anything.
You're my mother.
Yes, but then there are certain mothers, there are certain relations that would even not talk marriage with you, not to talk of having children. Because if you are no more, tomorrow I may be entitled to all this. So that alone should have made me not even talk about this with you.
I'm going to give you grandkids. You come and bath them.
You have to.
I'll bring them to your house for holidays, vacations.
I can't wait.
I can't wait myself. I just want to make a right choice.
However, I still stand my ground. Not just anywhere. In my quest to have you marry would not warrant that you would just present any nincompoop as a husband or a potential man that will marry you. I still will subject that person to objective scrutiny. That one is a must too. Because me, I can even foretell. As the person is approaching, I can tell if he is a good or bad person. I will just disqualify that person.
What is your definition for a perfect man?
An ideal man should be, first and foremost, you should be statured, because with your stature you can't settle for just being a man.
Oh my God!
I should represent you, but you cannot just go for a little boot.
Oh my!
That one they should just have you.
So we move like we don't care now.
Hey, Stomachus. Yes, sir. I think for a while now I'll see me to me Buffy, but we been tea. But I put me a dear.
Oh, Jana do me.
If you say me take you over the beer, me come but me not time. And then I climb by my sina or see me bura me better chunkomo kakra yampa. So be a way.
Yamiadum say a jaws want to walk
and no credit.
The man away, tis a winter me fear. Now soon say crabby.
Oh, my dear,
Tiasia by.
I can't say, Isaac or emphasis here.
Isaac dear, we did not to point that. To point that. Wakoye the 4 crowd America. When I'm banning
okay. I chef.
Oh, me kai because I chilling to me kai dating.
But at least Naka was so catch me. as a family lawyer there, me say me taking charge of everything. What I say, it's be any and who be a unsanke and so no pan so on.
Unse me dine konusa. And that time on so no na obejie dia na him say opanyin nso mfrim. Anti me see bia opanyin ya wes wonya wenso na ebia me na mamo na mane
okay, but
I hope say no dey nka enye
but from time to time no bibia because bia me na say me taking charge of everything. Just let me know what you say.
Na kamera koye say papa lawyer ebusuya damu no emra me nua panyin free mu no se me ba kora beto nsa didia e wo se me bo lawyer
sir
wa mane
enye sir I'm sure you know how the thing is. If free size no son nyina unim de ekoso bia nti oni kroyi mu a e wo se so ya sote what you say. I say asote ni timi hihye ni omanyoma bi sisi am gidi se wanyini wa ye panyini kakra onyini kura na wa ye kakra nkomo bi timi twetwe nkomo
papa ya enye se mechiro wo adwuma se me de me ba no tu kwan ana se me ba na ye bibi kura wo se me bo papa lawyer me bo wa mane
who tu kwan who shukru him akwa another country efe I say because we be a course be a would him if free say na uni opinion wo ni nyina me boss ana me ni adwuma lawyer penny with free me bibia na oni bibia
no pray
I say nti oni ho na me ba akọ ba bi wo so nana mo at least me hia no kra na twetwe nkomo se me hia no ni nyina ka ho na mabai
hia na twetwe nkomo
I say oh sisi oni hey ba me ba no ha ka bibia me hie free no bibia ka me sabeka idi nkomo 1212 bi
obeba
ati nti misrewa o de ofre na o si me hia no mate me hia na pa ni hu kwan be fa so a meet me ada so beba gan no so be
ka me de ne number be ma oba wakoye defu nti ono de bia otosim foforo
well just tell him say na ba na me hia na di nkomo the channel mami after that I think say the ohu bia anytime you beat me I have to aso
mate
say bia you okay
nyame adom bia you okay
say misrewa channel mami why
mate
me
manate won kra
we dini bia next week eko me samba mama kra me fro
okay aya o dey frame me why
mate no ko
ti say me friend nso na me nyana me ka akire
mate
no so a den na obeba
okay
okay ti aya su asirewura mabusua mu nsem
no
fi say yesi edija wane ye dia soma
adwuma
na be ye panyini
de o kan Matias no krepa adwuma na me ye de edi ahye me nsa e na me to aso Matias
me bra panyini ene ma o panyini be ye abusua ne lawyer
of course
si woni ho a be so betima sesem na moment system na what take over
me ubetima system a compare wo ntimi mfa ope ana opa when system bibia on krata so what you say
when you watch
what I say
what Mati you that's a pass and insra penny crowd but now kumana idea the jawa no chabe
I realize you're the one I've been waiting for. You're my sunshine.